If you've ever slipped on a wet rock or tried to dry out your soggy shoes after a swim, you know the frustration. That's where the Nortiv 8 water shoes come in. They're designed to keep your feet protected, dry quickly, and handle all kinds of wet terrain with confidence. These are the Nortiv 8 water shoes. They're available in styles for both men and women and made for water sports, the beach, casual hiking, and even everyday summer wear. So guys, I was genuinely impressed with how much these felt like real athletic shoes, far beyond your typical flimsy water sock. Now, as you can see just there, look at that build quality. You've got the sole just there, you've got the thickness, and look at that lovely material on there as well. And right out of the box, the upper feels light and breathable, made from ultra lightweight mesh fabric that lets air and water flow through easily. On the bottom, you've got 6 built-in drainage holes. See just there, built into it. Now these are designed to help drain water quickly and prevent that soggy, sloshing feeling you sometimes get with other water shoes. The real standout for me though, guys, is the sole. And if you look at both sides here, the rubber sole features multi-direction traction, as you can see just there, which helps you grip better on slick roads, pool edges, boat decks, you name it. Whether you're walking across a hot beach, wading through shallow water, or just running errands on a hot day, you'll feel grounded and protected with these shoes. Now, I actually went canyoning at the Philippines and wish I had these shoes because I had to wear my shoes. It was slippery. These would have done the job perfectly and would have dried so quickly. And comfort-wise, the shoes are incredibly lightweight, so literally I can hold them with like one finger. Thanks to EVA midsole and rubber pods. That means you get decent cushioning and shock absorption without carrying extra weight. I liked how secure they felt. There's elastic collar plus adjustable bungee laces, as you can see there, that pull with a tab, make them slipping on and off when wet. So you pull the tab out there, you open them up, and then you pull the tab closed and they lock up. So while I haven't actually used these overseas, I can actually see them performing well in places like waterfalls, rivers, or tropical coastlines. See the water shoes just here. Now we're gonna go put them on and actually test them out with water on them. So start with get my foot, and as you can see, you've got the elastic there, so you just literally go and loosen that up a bit, and then you put your foot in like this. Again, see it just slips in nicely and it fits so comfortable. And we do the other one as well. Now, of course, they fit snug and tight, and look how they fit on my foot there. So they're not rolling around or moving at all. You can see there's no room in there, but they feel very comfortable, and that's that lovely, light, breathable mesh. You can see it, good support too, and that's the grip we're talking about. We're gonna put our feet in here, then we're gonna wait to see how long it takes for the water shoes to dry. So there goes my foot, completely submerged, and take it off and put the other foot in like this. So there you are. So my feet have been completely submerged in the water. They feel really wet, but look, not sliding at all. Now these are tiles. My foot's not moving at all. You can see the water's in there. But I'm gonna see how long these take to dry off. So I'm gonna go for a walk, sit out here for a while and come back and show you how long they take. But as you can see, they still feel very comfortable even with water. They're packable, flexible, and sturdy enough to be used for more than just water sports. They fold small, making them ideal for tossing into a gym bag, day pack, or gym locker. As you can see, look, you fold them up like that, put them together, and look how small they are, like not much bigger than my hand. So I wore them around the neighborhood just to see how they held up. And honestly, I forgot they were water shoes. They're more structured and supportive than most. And that makes them a big difference when you're walking for 5 minutes to an hour. And based on customer feedback, these shoes hold up well over time, dry fast, and provide solid protection from sharp rocks or hard surfaces. They're also available in multiple color options to suit your lifestyle. And while comfort always depends on personal fit, many users say going half size gives them a perfect snug fit. So guys, if you're looking for something more rugged than a standard water sock, but more breathable and quick dry in the sneaker, the Nortiv 8 water shoes strikes a great balance. And very, very good, comfortable product. So whether it's swimming, boating, beach sports, or just everyday summer wear, these are a solid choice for active use around water. And if you should purchase them, there's links below. Any purchase you make, support the channel, and also check out all our other Nortiv 8 shoes and links. Thanks for joining us.